What's your name? Hey, what's my name? Mama. And what's your name? Oh, is her baby's crying. What is his name over there? Who's that?
Mama.
Who's over there?
Mama.
Is your brother? What's your brother's name? Hmm? Who's crying? Who is that? Benna. And who's got Ben?
Banana.
Ben and who else is over there? Is it Daddy? Hey, what's your name? Got some cottage cheese on your head. What's your name? Hey. Look at Mama. Mama Emerson. Cheese. Can you say hi, Pawpaw? Hi, Pawpaw. Aw, did you blow Pawpaw a kiss? Do you want to blow Grandma a kiss? Blow Grandma a kiss. Aw, that's so sweet.